Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are celebrating 9 years here on YouTube. I can't believe it's been that long since I started this creative journey and posted my first ever tutorial. Whether you've been here from the very beginning or just recently joined, I just wanted to say thank you so much for being part of this amazing community. So to celebrate, I'm hosting a giveaway. One lucky winner will receive a $100 Michaels gift card to stock up on your favorite craft supplies. To enter, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment below with your Instagram handle so I can reach out to the winner. As a bonus entry, leave a second comment telling me what craft supplies you would buy if you won the gift card. The winner will be randomly chosen and announced on July 17th over on my Instagram stories. I will also update the description box of this video with the winner. Good luck everyone. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make custom magnets using your Cricut machine, so let's go gather the supplies. The first thing I'm grabbing from my stash are these magnetic adhesive sheets. The sheet size is 8 inches by 10 inches. Next, I'm grabbing these printable sticker sheets. This is my favorite brand to use. It's compatible with the Inkjet and laser printers. You also have the option to grab them in a glossy or matte finish. You will also need self-adhesive laminating sheets. I'm using the Avery brand. These come in sheets of 9 by 12 inches. For this project, you will need 2 machines, an inkjet printer, and a cutting machine. I'm using my Cricut Maker 4, but any cutting machine that supports the print and cut feature will work. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. I'll also be printing with my Epson EcoTank 4800, but any inkjet printer should work just fine. Let's get started by opening Cricut Design Space and uploading all of your images. Make sure you upload each one as a flat graphic so they're ready for print and cut. Once you've added all of your images to the canvas, head over to the shape section on the left panel and select a square. This square is going to act as a template for our magnetic sheets, so I sized mine to match the sheets I'm using, which are 8 by 10 inches. Now just drag and drop your images over the template and arrange them however they fit best. I sized my images between 2 to 4 inches, so I ended up dividing mine across 3 pages. Just duplicate the template and keep arranging until they all fit. Once you're happy with the layout, click on the template shape and hide that layer. Then highlight everything and click flatten on the bottom right corner. If you see a red warning next to the flatten group, that just means your design is too big for Cricut's print and cut maximum size. All you have to do is click auto resize image and it will automatically adjust everything to fit. Repeat the same steps for your other templates. All of the images I'm using today are part of an SVG bundle I put together. I'll have that linked in the description box along with the supplies you'll need to make your own cute magnets. Once all of your designs are attached, you can go ahead and click on Make here on the top right corner. And this is how the mats should look like. Be sure to check that all of them say print and cut and then continue. So first we're going to print all of our images using the printable vinyl sticker paper. I'm going to grab a few sheets and load them on the back of the printer. I'm going to start with the first mat. Click send printer, and then here's just letting you know about the sensor marks. Click next. Since I want to use my inkjet printer, I'm going to go ahead and switch the printer. I'm going to turn off the add bleed and turn on use system dialog and click print. For the media type, I'm keeping it at photo glossy paper and the quality at best. Click print. I'm loving how these all printed out. Look how pretty the colors look. And then here's the one with the blue shades. Okay, so now let's move on to the next step. You can see the glossy finish on these, but to make sure these magnets last long, I'm going to be applying a sheet of these self-adhesive laminating sheets over them. This will protect the sticker paper from getting ruined or anything like that. The cool thing about these is that they already have the top part cut out for you, so it's easier for you to peel. I'm going to be using this top corner as my guide. Go ahead and align it. I'm going to flip it over. And if you have a ruler, you can use it to push the self-adhesive while you pull away the paper backing. Now I can just trim down the self-adhesive. That's it. I'm going to repeat the same process with the other 2 sheets. Next, I'm going to take the magnetic adhesive sheets and we're going to be applying them onto the sticker paper. The back side is the magnet and the other side is the adhesive. And then take your sticker paper and remove the paper backing as well. We have both of these materials with the sticky side facing up. So what we're gonna do is take both of the sticky sides and put them together. The easiest way to do this would be to take your magnet sheet because it's the smallest. And on the sticker paper, you can see all of the 4 sensor lines. You will wanna put your magnetic sheet right above that area. Unless you get the bigger magnetic sheets, you don't really have to worry much about the placement. But I'm using the top lines as my guide. And then drop. Now they're stuck together. So when you turn it around, you can now see the outline of the magnet sheet, which is actually a little bit bigger than our design. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of the sheets. You're probably wondering if this part where it doesn't have the magnet sheet will cause any trouble with the print and cut feature, and the answer is no. It's super easy to place it onto your mat. I'm going to be taking my purple mat. If you don't have a strong grip mat, you can just use a standard grip mat and then just tape the sides if necessary. I was able to place that part down where it didn't have the magnetic sheet. This magnetic sheet is a bit thicker and heavier, so I don't want to risk it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of tape around the edges. And if you do use tape, make sure you don't cover the sensor marks. This part is totally optional, but it just gives me peace of mind, honestly, whenever it's cutting. You don't want to stress over the material moving all over the place while it's cutting. And now we're ready to cut it with our Cricut. As for the blade, I'm going to be switching out the fine point blade for the deep point blade. Now, if you don't have a deep point blade, don't worry, you can still use your fine point blade, but you will have to add more pressure to your settings. For the second part of the print and cut process, make sure the material you've placed onto your mat matches what you selected in Cricut Design Space. As for the material settings, click Browse All Materials, search for Magnet, and choose Magnetic Sheet 0.5 millimeters. I'm keeping the pressure set to default. Then load your mat into your Cricut and press the load button. The machine will measure the mat and begin the print and cut scanning process once you press go. These are done cutting, so I'm gonna remove them from the mat. Look how easy that came out. This is so cute. And just like that, you've got the cutest custom magnets. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to check the description box for the giveaway details, the SVG bundle, and the full supply list. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time with a new DIY.